Hello everyone, we are the Group G, and in this presentation, we will explore the Region 10, the Northern Mindanao. Fun facts and trivia. Northern Mindanao is the 8th most populous region in the Philippines, and second in Mindanao. Also, the name Bukidnon means Highlander or mountain dweller. The province is considered to be the food basket of Mindanao, being the major producer of rice and corn. Camiguin is known as the island born of fire because the volcanic eruption that shaped the province. In fact, the number of volcanoes in Camiguin is 7, exceeds the number of its towns. Come again has become Camigin's catchphrase to entice visitors to return. Geographical location. Provinces and capital of Northern Mindanao. Provinces: Bukidnon, Camiguin, Lanao del Norte, Misamis Occidental, Misamis Oriental. Capitals: Malayabay City, Mambadyao, Tubod, Oroquieta City, Cagayan de Oro City. Binaki. Binaki is a type of steamed corn sweet tamales from two regions in the Philippines, the Bukidnon and Bogo, Cebu. It is wrapped in corn husk, yung balat ng corn, and is commonly sold as pasalubong and street food in northern Mindanao and Cebu. Binaki is a popular dessert or snack in northern Mindanao, and its name is derived from baki, which means frog because it is wrapped in a corn husk that is folded into a shape similar to a frog's leg. Pastel de Camiguin from Camiguin, also known simply as pastel. It is a delightful Filipino soft bun originating from the province of Camiguin. The name is derived from the Spanish word for cake. This heirloom recipe was originally conceived by Eleanor Popera Jose and her family in Camiguin. The soft bun is typically filled with yema, a sweet custard, but it can be also feature other delicious fillings like ube, mocha, makapuno, cheese, chocolate, durian, jackfruit, and mango. Roti de Iligan is a well-loved native Filipino delicacy from Lanao del Norte. Imagine it is a giant empanada, a thicker quesadilla, or a folded pizza that most kids adore. Sandwiched within the warm, flat bread is a creamy filling with a hint of spice. Halang-halang of Misamis Occidental and Misamis Oriental. Halang-halang is literally translates to spicy. First known as a Visayan dish. It's a spicy chicken dish made with coconut milk and chilies. This dish is also quite known in Misamis Oriental as it's famous for its.
My name is Mary Jo Dalmamba and this is my topic, accommodation for Region 10. First is Newton Hotel Plus in Cagayan de Oro. When visiting Cagayan de Oro, Newton Hotel Plus is a great choice to consider. Guests can grab a bite to eat at the restaurant and visit the spa to be pampered with hot stone massage, aromatherapy, or reflexology. A bar or lunch, a fitness center, and the terrace are other highlights. Newton Hotel and Cagayan de Oro is a high-rise business class hotel located in the heart of the city. The hotel offers a comfortable and convenient stay for guests. It features a rooftop restaurant on the 20th floor, a massage room, and a gym, providing guests with opportunities to relax and enjoy the city views. Paras Beach Resort. Paras Beach Resort of Camiguin, located just 5.3 km from the airport. Paras Beach Resort offers a shuttle available 24 hours. The outdoor pool is a great spot to take a dip, and guests can grab a bite to eat a hibo-hibo, which serves Filipino cuisine and is open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Other highlights include a bar or lunch, a terrace, and a garden. Paras Beach Resort in Camiguin Island offers a serene beachfront experience for guests. Located in Mambajao, the resort provides easy access to popular attractions like Agoho Beach, White Island, and Ardent Hot Springs. And the resort features free car parking and Wi-Fi, allowing guests to stay connected and explore the area conveniently. Then the last is House Malibo of Bukidnon. This modest hotel off Sir Highway is a 9-minute walk from Gaisano, Malaybalay Shopping Mall, a 12-minute walk from Kaumalan Park, and 2 km from the Malaybalay City Bus Terminal. House Malibo. House Malibo in Malaybalay, Bukidnon is a guest house, restaurant, and conference hall that offers a variety of services, with a focus on live-in seminars, catering services, and events. House Malibo also provides a comfortable and convenient space for guests. The establishment accepts reservations for seminars and events.
Festival and events in Northern Mindanao. Higalay Festival in Cagayan de Oro is a patronal festival held each year in Cagayan de Oro, Philippines. Ginaganap ito tuwing August 28, celebrating the feast day of Saint Augustine, patron saint of the city. In Malaybalay City is a Kaamulan Festival, is an ethnic cultural festival held annually in Malaybalay City, Bukidnon in the Philippines, from the second half of February to March 10, the anniversary date of the foundation of Bukidnon as a province in 1917. Camiguin is a Lanzones Festival, is a cultural and fruit festival held in the province of Camiguin, Philippines in the third week of October. It celebrates Lanzones, a fruit that the province is famous for. A week-long festivity, it is scheduled in time for the harvest season of the fruit. The first Lanzones Festival was held in 1979, created to promote tourism. It was a simple festivity that included activities such as a fair of local products and a competition of dances.
Food and delicacies of Davao region. Fanya of Compostela Valley, known to be a Mansaka tribe delicacy. Fanya is cooked deep-fried using ingredients such as powdered rice, sugar, and coconut milk. The Mansaka tribe is indigenous to Compostela Valley. Fanya or fanyam is a traditional Filipino bangsamoro fried rice pancake, a common snack for Muslims and Mindanao, especially at special events. Sinuglaw of Davao del Norte. Sinuglaw comes from the word sinugba, which means to grill, and kinilaw, which is ceviche or raw fish marinated in vinegar or lime and lemon juice. It has vegetables like cucumber, ginger, onion, with grilled pork gempo and fresh tuna meat. It is usually eaten as the main dish or appetizer to any meal. Balbacua of Davao del Sur, also spelled balbacua or balbacua, is a Filipino beef stew made from beef, collagen-rich beef parts, and various spices cooked for several hours until very tender. It is typically served with white rice or miswa or Miki noodles. Kinutil of Davao Oriental, also known as kinutir or kutir, is a Filipino alcoholic drink from the Visayas Islands and Mindanao. It is made from palm wine with raw egg yolks and homemade chocolate. Some versions also add condensed milk, sugar, and carbonated soft drinks.
Accommodation in Davao Region. First is Iho Resorts Davao of Compostela Valley is a premier beachfront destination nestled in the heart of Davao, Philippines, offering luxurious accommodations, pristine beaches, and a wide range recreational activities. It's the perfect gateway for travelers seeking relaxation adventure amidst stunning natural surroundings. And also, they have activities like horseback riding, cycling, and canoeing. Next one is Punta del Sol Beach Resort of Davao Oriental. It's a serene beachfront retreat nestled along the stunning coastline of the Philippines, offering pristine sandy shores, crystal clear waters, and lush tropical surroundings. It's an idyllic escape from city life with cozy cottages and luxurious villas. Guests can unwind while enjoying breathtaking ocean views, whether relaxing by the pool, dining at the resorts, restaurants, or enjoying water pools. Punta del Sol Beach Resorts provides the unforgettable vacation experience. And also, Punta del Sol Beach Resort is perfect place for diving because of the beautiful corals and marine animals located in the resort.
Banigan Kawayan Festival in Davao Oriental. Celebrated in Davao Oriental, this festival pays homage to the bamboo, which is abundant in the province. It features bamboo-themed street dances, cultural presentation, and exhibit highlighting the versatility and importance of bamboo in the local culture and economy. The Banigan Kawayan Festival Parade is a yearly dance parade of pageantry and colorful mats winding through the town key streets, reliving the two main sources of livelihood of Pasaynons, bamboo and mat weaving. Through their music, dance, and drama, it is celebrated every September 28 and 29. Pista sa Kinaiyahan was first held in 2001. This yearly event is meant to celebrate and promote environmental protection, awareness, and conservation. It is centered around calling for preserving Mount Apo, the highest peak of the Philippines and a popular trekking destination, and for people to be steward of nature. The town of Santa Cruz is one of the starting points of climb towards Mount Apo. The mountain is not only known for its beautiful scenery, lush woodlands, and challenging climb to its peak. It's also home to the Waling-Waling and the Philippine Eagle. The annual fest attracts visitors and volunteers for its focus on environmental advocacy. Its popular event is the Mount Apo Boulder Pace Challenge, an international tourney where participants cover over 113 kilometers through cycling, trekking, water tubbing, and running. Other events include ecotourism, exhibits of the local ecosystem featuring flora and fauna, clean-up drives, tree planting, and etc. The Dayawan Festival in Davao del Sur. Celebrated in Davao City, Davao del Sur. This festival is a Thanksgiving celebration for life, nature, and abundant harvest. It features colorful parades, street dancing, floral floats, and showcases the rich culture and heritage of the Davao region. The festival was previously known as Apon Duwaling Festival, named after three icons of Davao, Mount Apo, Durian, and the Waling-Waling Orchid. One of the highlights of the Kadayawan Festival is the Indak-Indak sa Kadalanan, which translates to street dancing. This is a showcase of the diverse indigenous cultures of the region. The festivities features different communities in Mindanao dancing in vibrant costumes that highlight their indigenous heritage.